In this video, we'll be driving along the old Denali Highway and boondocking at two very special places. We also will visit Denali National Park. Hi, my name's Debbie, a Cajun girl who loves to travel the world. Join my husband Ronny, my brother KP, and his wife Babette as we continue our journey from the crawfish ponds of Louisiana to the mountains of Alaska. We have left the pavement behind and are traveling the old Denali Highway. It's a 137-mile gravel road connecting the towns of Paxton and Cantwell through some of the most breathtaking wilderness in Alaska. Built in 1957, it was the first road access to Denali National Park. KP found a stunning campsite for us in the mountain range next to snow on 7 Mile Lake. We'll rest tonight and continue exploring in the morning. Good morning. Today we're taking a lazy day. KP's taking the time to practice his bass, and we're walking around the campsite. What a beautiful place to camp. It's quite chilly, but at least it's not raining for a little while. We're from Louisiana, so even the grown men have fun in the snow. Of course, I'm the target. As we're hiking in the tundra, we found a lot of permafrost, and you can see how our shoes just sink down in it. Feels just like walking on a sponge. Oh, what is this? If you know, please let me know in the comments. We're really enjoying the loons swimming and singing their songs. Oh, look, we found a painted rock. Too bad it's broken. We're finally celebrating Babette's birthday with a steak dinner. Our car stove has been the handiest appliance on this trip. It's great because it runs both on 110 power and also 12 volts. There's a hot plate in it, and it's well insulated. Depending on the situation, I can use a glass pan or a disposable aluminum pan. I cover the top of either with an aluminum foil to prevent spilling. We've been using it to warm up hot dogs and chili, and also pulled pork barbecue. It's great to have a warm lunch when we're in the cold weather. Of course, it can also be used to warm up any leftovers. I have the link in the description if anybody needs more information. We're riding through the tundra on the old Denali Highway. It's rainy and the road is bad, but the views are absolutely gorgeous. We're surrounded by endless mountain ranges, sparkling lakes, and colorful wildflowers. We spotted eagles and a squirrel, but no moose or anything of that nature. This area is supposed to be filled with moose, and this looks like a perfect place to find them, but then again, not today. There are many pullouts on the road, providing access to free camping and side roads. There are great opportunities for photography. One of the greatest rewards of traveling the Denali Highway is the feeling of being immersed in Alaska's vast wilderness. What a beautiful glacier, and with the sun finally shining a little, we can see the blue-colored tints in it. The landscapes are expansive and seem to stretch forever. Every bend in the road reveals another unforgettable view. It's wild, remote, and incredibly beautiful. The air is filled with the most peaceful silence. I'm so impressed with these old wooden bridges. We're crossing the Sistina River now. Here's another one of those wooden bridges. I love them. Wow, just look at this view. This has got to be the most beautiful campsite of the entire journey. We're at the Joe's Lake pullout on the old Alaska Highway. I just spotted 2 trumpet swans. This is a gorgeous camping spot, and I'm going to go and take a picture of the gumbo KP's cooking. We're using Canadian sausage for our gumbo, and this is definitely gumbo weather. It's cold. The view is different with every passing hour. Every night at 7:30 p.m., the Jeep tours stop here for photos. This one was taken sometime after midnight. If you're enjoying our video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out. This morning we're driving out to Denali National Park, and hopefully we'll get a view of Mount McKinley. Here she is, Mount McKinley. We are so fortunate to see her, as only 20% of the people get to see her. This was actually taken at the end of the road we're camping on, the old Alaska Highway. I love the Alaskan vibe. Oh, look, a moose. She seems to be shedding her winter coat, and she's right here standing on the side of the road. We made it, Denali National Park and Preserve. The last time we were here, we saw many animals, so let's see what happens. As usual, we start our visit at the Visitor Center where there's so much information to be obtained. I'd better take pictures of these animals because we're not seeing many live animals. This model shows how tall Mount McKinley is compared to the other mountains. I don't think the typical trapper's cabin looked this nice. This is Savage River in the park. We stopped for lunch at one of the viewpoints for Mount McKinley, and we did see her, but our views were not nearly as spectacular as on the old Denali Highway. After lunch, we went to a dog sled demonstration and were told the story of the original Iditarod run.
This doesn't work. They took the airplanes apart and just brought them out in the summertime. So you see where this is going.
After the race, the dogs were immediately given food and water. During the wintertime, these dogs help to patrol the park with the rangers and are used in search and rescue missions. After the demonstration, we went to the kennels and were able to meet and pet some of the dogs. We made a quick stop at the park store and decided it was time to head home. Tomorrow, more adventures await us. See you on the road!